Hello and welcome. It's good to have you here again. I am Oluwakemi and this is question 17 of the WAEC 2017. If the total surface area of a solid hemisphere is equal to its volume, find the radius. With this given option, you may be wondering, there is no values given, but let us just follow the question as it is stated. Okay, first we know that the area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Okay, good. And we also know that the area of the volume of a sphere is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. Okay, and the hemisphere that we are talking about is just half of the sphere. Okay, so that means we're going to divide both of the formulas by 2. So if this is divided by 2, we end up with 2 pi r square. And the second formula for the volume, if we divide that by 2 also, we have 2 over 3 pi r square. Okay, per r cube rather. Good. So now that we have this, we can now go back to the question that says the total surface area is equal to the volume, that is 2 pi r square is equal to 2 over 3 pi r cube. Okay, so now let us solve. If we multiply both sides of the equation by 3, we'll have 6 pi r square equals 2 pi r cube. Okay, then we go ahead to divide both sides of the equation by pi r square. Okay, good. So this cancel this out. Then on the left hand side also, this we cancel this out, we'll be left with r. So now we have 6 equals 2r. Then if we solve for all the radius, we have r equals 6 divided by 2, and that gives us 3 centimeter. That is the length of the radius. So the answer option A is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.